Magandang gabi or umaga sa inyong lahat. Kami nga po pala ang bandang Drop 16. And today, we're gonna cover a song called Getaway. Galing sa bandang Slapshock. Mula sa request nila, actually request ni Tejada. Ano to, pre? LM Tejada. Yan. Yon, shoutout LM Tejada. At bago natin simulan to, gusto lang namin mag-shoutout at magpasalamat sa mga sumusunod. Yan. Stair Acoustic Band from Jensen. Shoutout sa inyo. JR Ileto. Shoutout Brotherhood. Kung sino ka man. Charot. Shoutout.
Kamamat.
Eto, nakalimutan kong i-shoutout to nung nakaraang panahon. Mali ako nang na-shoutout. Babawian natin. Si Mikar Makabuhay Tilap. Yan. Sabi niya, shoutout sa tropang gwardiya dyan. From Misamis Oriental ng Team Kasikas.
Ay, grabe na yun.
Yan. Misamis Oriental, mga chong.
Oriental, ang lapit, ha? Grabe yan.
Ito pa, meron pa. Ang dami, pre.
Dami.
Oh.
Dami.
Si Haxpin Divina Garcia.
Yun, no?
Yan.
Yun, no?
Shoutout sa inyo. Si Mel Miranda 12. Ito yung nag-request na MB file
Siya na yan.
noon sa NAMB.
Yan.
Nakita ko na yung pangalan niya.
Si BJ.
So, bigyan natin ng katarungan. Siya pala si Mel Miranda 12. Yan. Isa sa nag-request ng NAMB yan. Yan. At ito pa, si J. Morales 8942.
Ay, grabe
Yan.
yan.
Parang plate number na naman.
942 yung sasakyan. 94.
Oo, yan. At ito, natutuwa ako dito kay Madam Liz A. Bet.
Ay.
Ah.
Oo.
Hindi kasi, ang dami niyang comments sa YouTube channel natin, Chong. As in, lahat yata ng upload natin may comment si Madam. So,
Ay, thank you po.
maraming salamat po sa inyong
Shoutout
suporta,
sa'yo,
Miss
Ma'am.
Liz Abet.
Liz
Yan.
Macbeth.
So,
Macbeth. Elizabeth.
Liz Abet. Yan.
Yan.
Liz Abet. Parang Elizabeth na pinag-iwalay.
Elizabeth.
Napaka-witty. Ang witty yan. So,
Without further notice.
Yan.
Naman. Yan.
So, yun.
this one called Getaway by Slapshock from the album Head Trip. Let's do this.
For another.
Yun nga pala. Kinalimutan mo eh. Ulitin natin.
Ulitin yan.
So,
Without further notice.
Naman talaga yan eh.
Yun na yan eh.
this one called Getaway by Slapshock from the album Head Trip from Another. Have you ever awakened to hear sounds like this? Throw your hate to the sky. We guarantee to make you smile all the things you can't deny. Cause we come correct. So protect your neck, cause you'll be coming to reject your mic check. An invitation to your door. Check the score with deliver to your hardcore. There's too much hype in this business. So rob this, get pissed on this, get down while you feel this freeze. 32 degrees, take the boundaries. Yeah, get ready for the last kiss. Cause it's time to open up your window. We got the vibe, we're coming to your logo. Here comes the sound, exploding to your audio. Here we go, we're fucking up that scenario. Things pretty like another sex in the city. You ready, you acting fool like you're crazy, you're territory. And don't invade with that piece of fury. Here we go. You want my sensitivity. You try to get away from me. You want my sensitivity. You try to get away. Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Swallow or wallow, the snake doesn't rattle. You kick me in the face just to start another battle. It's the place that made me go insane. You try to program me, manipulate my brain. Everyone's trying to beat your ass. Like Sugar Ray, beat around, you go the must, you don't trust. To live as a must. ashes to ashes, from dust to dust. Assassinator, the hate instigator. You got me with your time, cause you're rapper than a razor. Just a blink of an eye. You can cry, you can scream. In your dream, you can cry, you can buy what you feel right inside. I don't know how to live, I don't know how to die. What can you do if you know that we're pushing you back in this life? Keep on track, got to know where you at. So come up, let me see how you people react. Here we go. You want my sensitivity. You try to get away from me. You want my sensitivity. You try to get away. Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Get away. You gotta get away. You gotta get away. You go away. You gotta get away. Die alone, living on my own. Ignore my skill, but it's sticking to your bone. No limitations. Step back so I can function. Be a superstar like the Temptation. Want me running back? Save my son attack. Protect yourself. Be what you wanna be. I'm your winning man. Save my son attack. Protect yourself. Be what you wanna be. You want my sensitivity. You try to get away from me. You want my sensitivity. You try to get away. Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Why? Can I get away? Got to get away.
Ay.
Alam ko na, guguluhin nyo to eh. So,
Yun. So, yun. So.
So yun.
So, yun.
Hi Carl!
Yeah.
yun, shoutout. Yeah.
Shoutout.
Shoutout sana ko Carl.
Yan. Shoutout kay Paspas. Shoutout. I love you. Shoutout.
Inikinig naman ako sa iyo.
Carl, Nico, Isabel.
Ako nga, pabati na rin ako.
Yan.
Oy, shoutout sa asawa ko yan.
Yan.
Baby, what you At sa tatlong Greyluses, yan, Greylus Brothers.
Yun.
Yan.
Shoutout sa anak ko kay CJ saka kay B.
Shoutout Connie. Hello, I love you. Ang cheesy.
Pasin.
So yun.
Napakainit.
Tapos yung kanta getaway.
Di po kami try to get away with our partners, ha. Cover lang to. Yan. Tuloy mo, pre. Baba na. Sapa. If a picture paint 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? So, ayun na nga po. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta pa rin sa Drop 16. Yan. Grabe, binugbog niyo po kami ng pagmamahal. Yan.
Thank you.
Sa last upload namin na sobra.
Thank you very much.
Grabe, 18,000 as of this moment ang kanilang ang views
Yun.
sa Facebook, 18,000.
Organic yan.
Walang halong chemical.
Ano? Anong follow to follow? Sinong nagsabing follow?
Organic nga.
Walang follow to follow dito, mga chong. Tawag doon. Sa YouTube, alam ko nasa 2,900, 500, something like that.
Yeah.
Tulungan nyo rin kami sa YouTube channel namin, mga chong. Meron na kami diyang mga 931. So, siguro mga 70 na lang. No? Magwa 1,000 na yan. Para naman makabili kami ng bagong gamit.
Tulungan nyo naman kami.
Oo, so marami pa pong request. Lahat yan
Nakalatag yan.
nasa database na.
Oo.
So automatic yan, tutugtugin po namin yan. Kaso ang nangyayari po kasi ang tugtog namin is every Saturday lang. Pipilitin po namin tumugtog ng 2 beses sa isang linggo. Yan. Wala bang iba? Gusto ko yung paraluman. Paraluman na lang.
Ikaw ay...
Alam mo yun ba? Alam mo yun, paraluman? Sa unang tingin agad na naduli.
Ano yun?
Wala akong pansin. Paraluman.
Ano yun?
Oo. Ay, sige. Sige natin.
Ano yun?
Hindi nyo alam yun?
So without further notice talaga eh.
Oh, yun na nga. So, yun na nga yun. Yun na yun.
Oh, sige na. Ito na. Ito, balata mo na.
And that it's our tonight. Uy!
Ano ba yun? Yun na? Yun na yun? Okay, sige. Ay, thank you po. Salamat, salamat.
Namaste. Mga brutal to mga to eh.
Hoy!
O siya.
Take 2. And that it's our tonight.